Hi guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to fix weak signal on your OPPO Find X9 Pro. At first, make sure that your SIM card is inserted in your phone. If it is, turn on your phone and unlock it. Now when it's unlocked, scroll down to the control panel from the top right corner to the middle, somewhere here, and now tap airplane mode. Toggle it for example 10 seconds, and now your signal should be stronger because you're refreshing the network connection. But if it isn't, what I do recommend doing now is to move to the area with better coverage. Yes, I know that for some of you it might be difficult because you want to call, for example, from your home and you do have bad coverage area in your home. But if you are in the city and you are in the middle, for example, of the city or some forest or some everywhere actually on the planet, you can move to an area with better coverage to have the stronger signal. Personally, we can go to the settings and tap on the mobile network. Here now you can tap on your SIM 1, as you can see, tap Wi-Fi calling here. Here, make sure that this switch is enabled, and now tap it. Enable Wi-Fi calling preferred. And now, if you are home and you are connected to your Wi-Fi, home Wi-Fi network, or your workspace Wi-Fi network, you will call using Wi-Fi, not your SIM, and your signal will be stronger. And I'm not talking about slight difference; it will be much visible difference. Now we can go to the next step, which is, wait a moment, it's here. Scroll down to the system and update, which is resetting the network settings. Tap backup and reset, and tap reset phone. Here, tap the first option called reset network and Bluetooth settings, and here tap enter password. Enter your password here, or of course fingerprint, and tap reset. And what you'll have resetted is Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile network settings. So you have to add your Wi-Fi networks back again, Bluetooth devices back again, and yeah, that's it. Of course, you'll have to set up the Wi-Fi calling back again. Now this should work, but if it doesn't, go back to the cellular, to the mobile network over here, and here tap on the SIM 1. Now, as you can see here, they have a lot of things, but we have to find preferred network type. Tap LTE preferred and switch back to the 5G and diagnose which is better for you, either 5G preferred or 4G preferred, and it might be better, the LTE might be better due to the coverage issues. And if your signal is weak, and it's very weak, contact Harrier to check for outages, because for example in India you won't have if you don't pay your monthly plan, you won't have your internet cut out. You'll have just very bad connection with everything and very bad signal. And that's it for this video. Goodbye.